I'm in the Bendigo men's shed and I'm surrounded by machine tools. Radial arm saw here, got a drop saw there, panel saw, huge rip saw, huge for workshop anyway. But there's still a place, a need for a handsaw. Now I'm currently fitting these loose tongues into this tabletop, and what I'm doing, placing the tongues in the groove, measuring it to where it goes. Now that I've marked it, I need to cut it, and the drop saw is over there. Right, all done, and back again. But what if instead of walking backwards and forwards, I used a handsaw? Yeah, this is a 𝗠𝗱 or ice bear Japanese pull saw. 𝗦𝗱𝗶 just means two-edged. One side is for crosscut and the other side is for ripping. Really handy tool to have if you're doing mortise and tenon work, because you can cut the shoulders of the tenon with the crosscut, flip the blade over and immediately start doing the cheeks of the tenon without having to put the tool down. Much more efficient than having one saw for ripping, one saw for cross-cutting. So disclaimer, I am selling these saws in my eBay store. If you want to support the channel, you can pop over to Chestnut Nag on eBay and buy them, or you could order them directly in the comments below. I'm just letting you know that because as much as I think these are brilliant saws, I'm also selling them, so be aware of that. So you can, disclaimer, Instead of having to walk backwards and forwards to the drop saw, all I need to do is take my tongue, go around to the other end and mark it. So yeah, even in a woodworking shop full of excellent machine tools, a good handsaw is still a really useful tool to have. Hope you enjoyed, hope you found it useful. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe, and also if you would like to support me and what I do, it'd be great if you could buy a saw off me or something else from either the eBay store or something you'd like. You can let me know in the comments below. Yeah. Stuff I sell directly to people I can do a bit cheaper than I can on eBay because I'm not having to pay the eBay fees. So hope you enjoy, and yeah, catch you on. Bye. Oh, and the video on this whole table build, it's coming.